What if you could launch a blog today, write AI-powered content in minutes, and get it ranking on Google, all without spending a dime? In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of starting a blog using tools like ChatGPT, ScaleNut, WriteSonic, Hostinger, Pictory, TubeMagic, and Canva, even if you've never blogged before. And don't miss this. Later in the video, I'll share the exact post structure I used to reduce bounce rate and keep readers hooked longer than ever. The crazy thing is, blogging in 2025 is actually easier than it was years ago. Back then, you needed to write everything manually, understand SEO deeply, and design your site from scratch. Now, AI handles most of that for you. Your job is simply to steer it in the right direction and polish the final output. And trust me, once you see how fast AI can generate a full article, your confidence skyrockets. And here's another subtle hook before we move on. Later in this video, I'll show you a simple AI-powered layout trick that kept people scrolling through my posts almost twice as long. If you apply that one technique alone, your blog engagement can change instantly. By the way, if you want to build a long-term income stream using your blog, keep watching, because there's a specific monetization method near the end that most beginners skip, and it's one of the easiest ways to earn your first $50 online. If blogging feels confusing or technical, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, you'll learn everything from choosing a niche to writing optimized content that ranks. We'll also explore how AI tools speed things up, boost creativity, and make SEO a whole lot easier. And when we get to content writing, I'll show you how I combined ChatGPT with ScaleNut to create blog posts that are not only engaging, but built to rank. One thing I want you to know right away, blogging isn't about perfection. You don't need the perfect niche or perfect writing style to start. What matters is publishing consistently. AI tools take away the fear of the blank page, giving you content you can improve instead of starting from scratch. That alone cuts your writing time almost in half. And here's a small teaser. In the SEO section coming up, I'll show you a TubeMagic trick that pulls keywords your competitors are ranking for without them even knowing. It's simple, powerful, and perfect for beginners. Let's jump in. First things first, let's talk about blogging basics. At its core, a blog is your space to share what you know, think, or care about, whether that's tutorials, opinions, stories, or advice. Blogging is still powerful in 2025 and even will be in 2026 because people constantly search for answers, and you can be the one to provide them. Even better, tools like WriteSonic can help you draft full-length blog posts in minutes using just a few keywords. You don't need to be an expert writer. You just need ideas. And speaking of platforms, we're about to cover how to actually set up your blog. But first, I'll explain how picking the right niche makes everything else easier. If you're struggling to pick a niche, ask yourself this: what topic could you talk about for at least 20 posts? It doesn't need to be your life's passion, just something you enjoy learning about. AI will help fill in the gaps. And if you want help deciding, ChatGPT can generate niche lists based on your interests, hobbies, or existing skills. A super underrated niche strategy is choosing content that solves small problems. For example, how to fix, how to start, beginner guide to. These types of posts consistently rank because people search for them every day. Next up, setting up your blog. Here's where it all begins. To get started, you need a home for your blog. I recommend Hostinger. It's super affordable, beginner-friendly, and comes with a free domain, fast hosting, and one-click WordPress setup. Next, pick a niche that you enjoy or can learn about. This keeps you motivated and helps you build a loyal audience. Give your blog a name that's memorable and reflects your content. Design matters too. Use Canva to create logos, banners, and visuals that match your brand, even if you have zero design experience. Install a clean, mobile-friendly WordPress theme, and make sure to add an About page and contact info. Once your blog's set up, we'll move on to writing your first post with some help from AI. If you want your blog to look professional right from the start, stick to one color palette and 2 fonts. Canva lets you generate an entire brand kit in seconds using its AI color matching. This not only looks cleaner, but also keeps your visuals consistent across posts and social media. And here's something most beginners overlook: Google rewards sites that load fast and look clean on mobile devices. So when choosing your WordPress theme, pick something lightweight. A simple theme usually ranks faster than a fancy one. Now, let's dive into content creation with ChatGPT. Here comes the fun part: writing. Start by brainstorming ideas with ChatGPT. You can ask, what are trending blog topics in your niche? Want to go deeper? Try ScaleNut. It doesn't just help with writing, it builds SEO-optimized content briefs and outlines that can help your post rank better from the start. Once you've got a topic, use WriteSonic to generate an initial draft. You'll be surprised how fast it pulls together well-written, readable content. Here's that post structure trick I mentioned earlier. Use an intro, problem, solution, outcome format. It hooks the reader, builds curiosity, and makes your content more scannable. Great for SEO and real people. When generating your draft, try giving WriteSonic a few style instructions like make it conversational, use short sentences, or add humor. These tweaks create posts that flow naturally and feel like something you'd actually say out loud. And here's a little mini tutorial. After you paste your draft into WordPress, use Canva to design simple illustrations or icons that visually break up the text. These keep people scrolling longer and increase your average read time, something Google loves. One more thing, after ChatGPT gives you your outline, ask it to generate FAQ questions. FAQs often rank in People Also Ask sections on Google, giving your blog extra visibility without extra work. And once your draft is done, we'll make sure people actually find it. Next up, the basics of SEO. All right, moving on to basics to rank on Google. To show up in search results, you need to understand a few key SEO strategies. Start with keyword research. Use tools like TubeMagic or Ubersuggest to find search terms that have solid traffic but aren't too competitive. TubeMagic, for example, works great for both blog and YouTube keywords. It even suggests titles that get higher click-through rates. Next, include those keywords naturally in your blog title, subheadings, meta description, first 100 words. Break up your text with visuals, use short paragraphs, and add internal links between related posts. And here's the next open loop. In a minute, I'll show you how I drive traffic without relying on SEO alone. A beginner-friendly way to structure keywords is using the one main keyword, two supporting keywords rule. Your main keyword goes in the title and first paragraph. Supporting keywords naturally appear in subheadings. This makes your post readable while giving Google the signals it needs. Another quick tip: after publishing, share your post once on social media. This sends freshness signals, which can help Google index your article faster. Now for the next step: promoting your blog. SEO is great, but it's not the only way to get traffic. Share your post on Pinterest, X, formerly Twitter, or Facebook. Use Canva to design scroll-stopping visuals to go with your posts. Also try guest posting or collaborating with other bloggers. It gets your content in front of a new audience and builds backlinks. Great for SEO. Email marketing is another underrated tactic. Tools like ConvertKit or MailerLite let you build a free list and send blog updates directly to subscribers. Oh, and that non-SEO traffic method I mentioned? It's called content repurposing. Use Pictory to turn blog posts into short videos you can share on YouTube or Instagram Reels. It's fast, effective, and helps you get more reach without starting from scratch. If you're posting on Pinterest, try adding text overlays like how to start or beginner guide. Canva has Pinterest templates ready-made for this. These kinds of pins often perform better because they tell viewers exactly what they'll learn before they click. And here's another trick. Use your blog content to create Instagram carousels or TikTok tips. These take minutes to make and help you build an audience across multiple platforms, all pointing back to your blog. Next up is where things really start to click. Analyzing blog performance. You've launched your blog, written posts, and started sharing them. Now it's time to track how they're doing. Use Google Analytics to check where your readers come from, how long they stay, and which posts get the most clicks. If you see a post performing well, expand on that topic. If people drop off quickly, revisit your intro or formatting. Set a reminder to review your stats once a month. Data helps you create smarter content and avoid wasting time. We're wrapping up soon, but first, here's a recap of the tools that helped me build and grow faster than I ever expected. And don't forget to check heat maps using free tools like Microsoft Clarity. This shows exactly where people scroll, click, and stop reading, so you know which parts of your post need improvement. With analytics, your blog becomes a feedback loop. You publish, watch the data, and adjust. Over time, even small tweaks compound into big results. Now let's recap. ChatGPT helped brainstorm and outline posts quickly. No more staring at a blank screen. WriteSonic took my outlines and turned them into high-quality drafts in seconds. ScaleNut helped structure my posts for SEO, and even gave me data-backed topic suggestions. Hostinger made launching my blog fast, simple, and affordable, with great support. Canva made my blog and social visuals look clean and professional in minutes. TubeMagic showed me exactly which keywords to target and how to write better titles. Pictory turned my blog posts into video content I could repurpose for social media. And if you want to keep your workflow simple, start with just ChatGPT plus Canva plus TubeMagic. Those three alone can help you produce content faster than most bloggers do manually. If you got value from this video, hit subscribe. And if you think blogging with AI is powerful, wait until you see what happened when I used AI to grow an Instagram page and made nearly $500 in just 3 days. That's the next video. See you there. Start your first blog post today. Your future self will thank you.